This mouse has not failed me when it comes to connectivity. It's a top-notch mouse. To me, reliability guaranteed. The gadget I use most on a computer is practically a mouse. To avoid my wrist from hurting, yeah, I need a good mouse. I can spin these all day, spin the wheel. Depending on your application and needs, you can change this mid-row scrollball from a smooth wheel to the traditional click wheel. The price tag, the old HP sets you back around $13. The new one is at $18. Logitech is $120 plus taxes. The white one is around $110. This is a HP mouse. When you want to charge, this light is going to come on. Nice that it is USB-C. 1 minute gives you 3 hours. I only need to charge the mouse like once a month. With active usage, this mouse can last 70 hours. Typically, you use your mouse a few hours, so this mouse can last a long time. It lasts longer while on standby. On the downside, the battery is not removable. Worst comes to worst, you can use this mouse with a cable. But who wants to do that? You can switch between several computers. 1, 2, 3. Just click on that. Number 2, number 3. If you want to put it off. So this is on and off. You can hook it up to your computer using Bluetooth. I'm currently using Bluetooth. Makes your workflow easy. It's a little bit slanted. This is more flat. This one is slanted. This is big. This is a tiny mouse. You can use the software Logi options to access more options to use this. Configure it to your liking. The software that comes with the mouse, Logi options, is great for setting up the mouse just right for your workflow. If you create an account with Logitech, you can save your settings and use it across multiple computers without having to reset them every now and then. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. For more tips and tricks, watch the next video. For MacBook users, you need to use Bluetooth on this. I'm not a huge fan of trackpads on laptops. I usually use a mouse.